class. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you can have first chapter. You can write chapter 1. Food. Where does it come? Sorry, not food. Sorry, that is 6th standard. Nutrition in plants. You have learned about nutrition last class, no, last year. Nutrients you have studied. Now you're going to study animals. Sorry, again I made a mistake. Sorry, plants. All the classes same thing, no? Sometimes we get confused. That's all. Chapter 1, nutrition in plants. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the notes of the chapter you will send in WhatsApp, right?
That I will write. But when I take the class, certain points I told you to copy. Maybe I may not be able to send the notes today. I will be sending within 2 days. Correct. As be the classes progress. Okay. Yeah. So till there you have to write some of the points which I have given. That's what I told you. You should have a notes with you now. Okay. Writing the question answers will be later. Clear? Not now. Because
Yes,
we just started. Correct? Yeah. Yes. Okay. Okay. Seba.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you mean by nutrition, Seba? Because last year we must have learned some of these words, correct? Is it Vaiga and Hiba is in our class? No.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Because in between some 6th standard students enter it. Yeah. What do you mean by word nutrition?
Ma'am, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins.
Yes. Okay. That means all these things are required for whom? Why do
For
humans? For humans. Yes. Fidel, why do we want nutrition for our body? Why do we want nutrition? Because we have Horlicks, Boost. Maybe your mother may be giving you Boost and Horlicks. For what mother is telling? What mother will tell you when you give the Boost and all? Huh?
We must be energetic.
To be energetic. So we require nutrition to become more energetic. Is it only for energy, Ananda Krishnan? What else we require the nutrition food?
We need nutrition to grow and to stay healthy.
To stay healthy.
Okay. And to grow.
To stay healthy and to grow. Very good. Very good. Okay. Then, Hiba Fatima, you just now came to the class, I think, or you have some network issue. Yes. Okay, Sri Lakshmi, what else we require? Nutrition. They told energy to grow, to be health. Something more? Why do you should have nutrition in your body? What else?
To be strong.
To be strong. Okay, good, very good. Yeah. Now, Anthony Vijay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Anthony, now you tell me, when you get a fever, what happens to your body? When you get fever, what happens to your body?
Ma'am,
You will be weak. Okay, very good. Aldous, now tell me, when you become weak, what does your mother do? What does mother?
Ma'am, she will give the medicines properly.
Okay, apart from medicine?
Ma'am, then we'll eat food.
Ma'am, hot water.
Okay, very good, Aldous. Who else is told hot water?
Ma'am, Nia.
Nia. Hot water. What else?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, our mother will give us vitamins and all.
Vitamins and all. How? They don't give directly, no? Sometimes they'll give you milk.
Through the food.
Yeah, through the food. Yes, they will give the milk. Sometimes the mother will give you hot kanji. Suppose vitamins. You have, kanji. Then you will have some vitamins tablets, correct?
Yes.
And then your mother may give you ginger tea. Sometimes they make barley water. All this, because during fever time you cannot have the very hard food. We cannot have normal and all because your body will not take. So nutrition also require for you repairing your body. Sometimes you fell down and you got a cut on your knee. Then what do? Your medicine, you will put some ointment. And then what
Yes, ma'am.
happens after ointment? After few days, what happens? The cut will be disappear. Okay.
Ma'am, it will dry.
It
dry.
will dry, and slowly the cut, the mark of the wound will go. So
Yes.
that also because of the nutritious food what you take. So the food will nutrition. If you have a nutrition food, the food with full of nutrition, then naturally your body will repair. Any problem happen, body will repair. Understood? So this is why do we need food? So through the food, we get so many components of food, correct? You
Yes,
get a
ma'am.
plenty of. So, okay. Anna, can you tell me some of the nutrients which we take through the food?
Ma'am, carbon dioxide,
Carbon dioxide is not a nutrient. Carbohydrates, correct?
carbohydrates,
Yes. Malavika, another nutrient name? What happened to video? Some are on the chat box. Good food.
Ma'am, can
Yes.
protein,
Proteins. Okay, proteins. What else?
minerals,
Ma'am,
Vitamins.
Vitamins.
Fats, vitamins and minerals.
Okay, very good. Okay, very good. All of you know that. Yes, good. Very good, all of you, because you all remember what we studied last year, we remember. Yes. So we have nutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals. So all these nutrients, from where we get? From where we get?
Plants and
Yes,
animals.
plants and animals. Hence, okay, so plants are very important in our daily life because we get vegetables, fruits, seeds, nuts, all those things. So shall we?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So food is the most important and basic thing for life. Carbohydrates, proteins. This is what we studied in 6th standard. You don't have to only have to learn, only have to remember. That's it. No. You don't have to write this. Okay, this is only introduction. What we have learned in 6th standard. Okay, food is the most important basic thing for life. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals, and they are necessary. You know, and we get energy and growth and development. Okay. Now here we have our class thing. What are first point you have to learn or you have to write now? What are nutrients? So first point. So you can write the number. One minute, it is gone. Let me go. I cannot. 1 minute.
Repeat, ma'am.
I repeat. Let them right now.
And now we can write.
Yes. Wait. Okay. Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am.
That is gone because that's why I'm checking because No. No. Don't write now. Wait, children. 1 minute. I can't see. 1 minute. Let me go back.